Hi, I'm Kyle and I'm with NELLYS Security, and today we're going to be setting up the new NSC-DB2 video doorbell. I already have it mounted here and voltage going to it. It does take 8 to 24 volt AC, and then as soon as you get it powered on, the light button will start blinking blue. If not, you'll press and hold the white button on the front side until you get a voice prompt.
Reset successfully.
Just like that. And then after it boots up, it'll say another voice prompt, and we'll hear that shortly.
Please use app for device Wi-Fi configuration.
All right, so there's the voice prompt, and like it said, we'll go over to the app now. Okay, and so for the app we're going to be using for the video doorbell, it is called EZVIZ. Once you get it installed on your phone, go ahead and open it, and you'll get prompted to create a cloud account. I've already done that ahead of time, but once you get logged in, it'll prompt you to add a device. Go ahead and select Add Device, and it'll bring up your camera. From there, you'll scan the QR code on your doorbell, and then you'll hit Next. Here, it'll prompt you to make sure that the doorbell is powered on and the indicator light is flashing blue, which is what we see here. So we'll go ahead and check mark that box and hit Next. And if you don't have location services turned on, it'll prompt you to turn that on. You don't have to, but I'll go ahead and do it. Next, you can go ahead and hit the X icon, and then it'll prompt you for your Wi-Fi information. Once you get that entered, go ahead and hit Next again. Now the doorbell is trying to connect to your Wi-Fi. You'll definitely get a voice prompt once it's connected correctly.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Please wait. Wi-Fi connected. Platform registration successful. Configuration complete.
Alright, and once the configuration is complete, you'll get this new device setup screen on your phone. You can go ahead and enable the audio and set your time settings as well. Once you get that configured properly, go ahead and hit the Next Step icon. Now it's going to ask for our chime type. We do have a mechanical chime here at our location, but if you have an electronic or no chime at all, you can select those options. On this screen, it gives you the sensitivity of the PIR sensor in the doorbell itself. I'm going to have it maxed out, but if you want the distance to be shorter, you can go ahead and adjust that as well. And then hit Save. Now the doorbell has been added to your account, and we can check out what kind of features this doorbell has. Okay, so in this section, we're going to make sure that your phone does get the notifications whenever your doorbell, one, gets pressed, and then whenever it senses motion. So the first thing you want to check is at the bottom right hand of the screen, click on the More icon. Next, we'll go into Function Settings. And then first, you want to make sure your message push notifications are turned on. You can adjust the notification sound from intense to soft. I'm just going to leave it by the default in intense. Second, you want to make sure the auto receive alarm after power up is enabled. Then once you go back to your device list, go into the doorbell itself and click on the little gear icon at the top right. Once you go there, you want to make sure that your alarm notification is enabled. And right now it looks like it is disabled, so let's go ahead and select it and turn it on. Now you can have a notification schedule where you can get notifications at certain times of the day, but if you keep it off, you'll get notifications all day. Now there is a notification sound section. You can turn that off or mute it. If you have it on soft or intense, the doorbell will actually beep if it senses motion from its own speaker. Alright, and those are the settings we need to check to make sure that you do get notifications.
Hey, pretty good.
How's it going?
Good, just testing out the doorbell.
All right, can I come on in?
Yeah, let's go. So another great feature that this doorbell has is you can actually turn off the LED ring as well as disable the infrared light on the doorbell. And to do that, all you have to do is go into the live view, select the little gear wheel at the top right, and then to turn off the LED ring, change the status light from on to off. And the infrared light is already turned off. You can turn it on or off, whichever you prefer. Okay, on this part, we're gonna check out the actual notifications as well as playback on the doorbell. So the awesome thing about this doorbell is that it doesn't require any cloud storage or cloud fees. It saves the footage on a built-in SD card. And what you can do is, as soon as you connect the doorbell to your cloud account, you can go into the messages section down at the bottom. Now, whenever the doorbell senses motion, it'll actually show you what triggered the motion, as well as give you a snapshot. And if you select playback, it'll give you a short clip of what triggered the event. And as you can see, I'm standing in front of the doorbell, so I'll obviously have events going off as I record this. And what you can do as you're viewing the playback, you can actually take a snapshot with your phone or record the clip straight to your phone as well. Once you go back to your device list, you can open up the doorbell directly. And whenever you go to the live view page, you can select video history down at the bottom. And this will actually give you a timeline of just where to search for the footage, as well as play back whatever footage is saved. And as you can see as well, I'm still sitting here, so it's going to be recording footage the entire time. All right, so that was our quick setup guide on the NSC-DB2 video doorbell. And if you do have any further questions at all, feel free to give us a call, shoot us an email, or even hit our chat up on our website. Thank you. Have a good day.